the next day. First day I left quite abruptly, to be honest. Didn't record any of it. I mean, the machine stopped working. My dad was using, so I just decided to call it a day. But today, let's start this, inshallah. Should be able to finish it. Whack out. A lot cleaner than last time. Alhamdulillah. Alright, so let's set it up and start taking out some weeds. I'm being honest, I don't even know if I'm using this thing the right way, despite the fact that they told me multiple times how to use it last time, but it looks... I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job. It's quite effective actually. Cleans up the place quite nicely. It doesn't look nice at the moment, but yeah, inshallah. I just need to be careful because like right there's an olive tree and there's an olive tree. So I need to be careful they don't hit them and damage them. Alhamdulillah, it's good, man. Alright, should be able to finish this, then just slowly move my way backwards. Oh, alhamdulillah. This, I'm gonna leave this side as it is because you can't really swing it too much between these trees. A lot of it's done. Olive tree. Able to find them. Alhamdulillah. So that much is done now. This is all the stuff we've collected so far on the olive tree. So that's I've just done. Boy, my arms, my shoulders. Oh, alhamdulillah. It's a good workout, to be honest. My dad did that yesterday, area patch. So I'm going to try and clean all this up all the way back to the house. Maybe then start on that side. Or maybe... No, let me just do this first. And then see, inshallah. Notice this, I'm not sure. I think these are apples. I think so. But some of them are like hollow grapish inside. I'm not sure. Neighbour's cow. Wagwan fam. How you doing? Wants to say hi. Okay. Inshallah. This is gonna be fun. I want to put like a seating area under these trees because it's like nice and cool and shaded most of the time, except when the sun's like directly at you, of course. But yeah, inshallah. I'll see what I can do with this garden actually, I have no idea. If the goats and sheep are going to be over there, there's like, I'll show a montage of us building this. This is like really fun. I built that fence on my own. This fence, still standing. You haven't put any animals in it yet, so of course it'll be still standing. I didn't record that, which is unfortunate. Okay, inshallah, that's enough resting. Let's get back to it. Alright. Just gonna say I was gonna take another break. Look what's here. Sure, this is probably alcohol. It's doing alcohol. Unopened as well. Yeah. No. Just can you give me some water, please? Yes, I need help with some water. Dude, it's like an unopened can of alcohol. How did it? Goodness gracious. Turkish village in the middle of nowhere. I just found an unopened can of alcohol. Dad? Unopened. Yep. Unopened.
So what are you going to do with it? Another one. Let's break it. Let's go. Yeah, this is for coding.
Just like throw away. Oh, there you go.
Let me put it on my face. Oh, drink some beer.
Dad,
No. Put it in the wheelbarrow. No, it's still not.
Fortunately, my phone died. So I had to go and charge it. Oh, I did some things. I cut one of the dead berry trees. So and then it's just sweeping up. I didn't do much of the weeding work. That's very much cleaned. I go all the way to there. The pathway we were set. The pile is over there. Inshallah, maybe tomorrow the gate and finish it. So tomorrow will probably be like, it would be day 3. Inshallah. Try getting these, but there's not many left. And the ones I found, like I opened like 5 of them, and they all had maggots in them, which was not fun. Here's a mint, the wild mint I was talking about. Oh, it smells amazing. Alhamdulillah. So it's gonna be fun. One thing I've discovered coming to Turkey is mulberries. These things. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely. They're not too sweet. They're not too sour. Some of them, there's like different breeds. Some of them are sweet, some of them are sour. But no, it's not really ripe. I like cold. Last year I got some of these and I pressed them down into like a juice. Then I put in the fridge. Really good. Put some sugar in as well. Oh, this is still hard. Put it there. Oh, mashallah. Why is this camera not focusing? ركز على ما يركز عادي. It's a lot. Unfortunately they gotten too high and we haven't controlled them, so they go all the way up there, which is, you know, subhanallah. So you have to probably like next year or at the end of this season cut it and then like let the lower ones grow so we can actually access it, because these are like inaccessible. Actually no, there's some over here going onto the neighbor side, which we should be able to get one. It's a nice big one. MashaAllah. There, finished a day's work for packaging the wheat. It's so busy over here in regards to wheat, because everybody's it's the season and everyone's taking up their wheat. Bismillah. Exactly, I can do this all day online. I need a ladder though. I'd need a ladder and just. Oh, I need to go inside. Probably drink some water and relax for a bit. Looking forward to the berries coming out, inshallah. The figs on this tree are not coming out yet. Not sure why. Can't see it yet. But the berries starting to come out. So inshallah. I'm looking forward to eating them. I'm told these ones have seeds in them, which is probably the better ones, to be fair. The seedless ones I'm not even sure. Okay, inshallah, that's it for today. Probably tomorrow morning, come Fajr time, record it and see what it's like. Alright, inshallah, assalamu alaikum.